This morning, I was in the kitchen busy cooking breakfast for my brother and I. We did beef bacon and fried eggs. We have this incredible view of the harbor. We're here in Cape Town, and right now it's storming and there's rain pressing against the window panes. And as I was looking out into the harbor and the fog and seeing the boats docking at the shore, I was thinking back to hundreds of years ago when the Dutch, the Spanish, the English, and the French came to South Africa doing these long voyages. And I was busy thinking about the relationship that most people have with God. I thought of this analogy about, the weather, the captain, the crew, the boat, and the storms. Most Christians have a relationship with God where it backfires on them. And I believe this is because a lot of Christians view God as a genie. They think that God is the captain of their life or the captain of their ship, and they run to the captain as a crewman and they say to the captain, when are we getting there? Where are we going? What does it look like? These storms are scary. Are we going to make it? And are we heading in the right direction? That is how most people relate to God. But what Jesus teaches us is that you are the captain. You are the captain of your ship, and you're responsible for your crewmen, and that God is not the captain. He is the weather. He is the storm. He is the rain. He is the lightning. He is the waves. He is the sky. What the enemy tries to do is create miscommunication between the weather and your ship. So if your sails are pointed in the wrong direction, heavy winds are destructive. But if your sails are pointed towards your destination and wind is allowed to pour into those sails, you're going to move to your destination that much faster. And let's say that your crewmen are dehydrated and they know that they can't drink ocean water. It's scorching hot and they're praying for rain, and rain comes pouring down onto your ship. And all of a sudden, your crew and yourself as the captain now have this drinking water to keep you going on your journey. Or maybe you're in the eye of the storm and there is this frightening lightning coming down and you're worried that it's going to catch the mast of your ship. But instead, that lightning provides enough light for you to navigate the fog, the clouds, and the rain in the eye of the storm. And what the devil, the enemy, will try to do is take this communication, these messages from God, and he'll try to alter them to make you a victim.